Michael, a Mercedes guy here, and I want to explain something about automatic transmissions in a Mercedes. Now, your automatic may be a 3-speed or a 4-speed. And this is a coupe, so it's a 4-speed. But if you notice, it only shows 3 speeds in your indicator. However, if you are at a complete stop and put your shifter into L, it actually starts off in first and then immediately shifts into second, then third, then fourth. Now, a nice thing is the low gear hold design of a Mercedes automatic transmission. Meaning, if you're going down a mountain, a very steep mountain, or maybe a driveway or a street where you've shifted down, but unless you do a particular thing, it's going to automatically shift into second, and you won't have the engine braking that you can have by keeping it in first. So the way you keep it in first, and this applies to a 3-speed transmission as well. At the top of the hill, you want to come to a complete stop, put it in park, and then drop it into the lowest position and let the car start rolling. Do not give it much gas at all. If you give it too much gas, you'll feel it shift up into second. But if you only give it a slight amount of gas pedal, it will stay in first as long as you don't give it too much gas to where it shifts up. That way you'll have engine braking. And I live at the bottom of a huge, long, windy hill with 18% downgrade. So I always mention this to customers so that in the worst spots, they aren't relying solely on their brakes, because they won't have any at the bottom of the hill if you use brakes all the way. So that's just an aspect. Just remember, complete stop, put it in park, shift into low, use minimal gas pedal, and you'll have engine braking in the lowest gear.